The Chuboor Robot Vacuum 3000 PA combo is designed with a remarkably slim profile, making it adept at cleaning under furniture and reaching tight spaces effortlessly. Boasting a powerful suction capability of 3000 Pascal, this robot vacuum efficiently picks up dust, debris, and pet hair, ensuring a thorough cleaning performance. With an impressive battery life, the vacuum can run for over 2 hours, and it conveniently returns to its charging dock when running low on power. The device offers advanced smart home integration, allowing users to control it through an app or voice commands via Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Its 3-in-1 functionality combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping, facilitated by an adjustable water tank and a sizable dust box, making it a versatile cleaning solution. Equipped with sophisticated obstacle recognition and multiple cleaning modes, the Chuboor Robot Vacuum is designed to navigate and clean your home without causing any damage.